Hello everyone, I'm here in Jan's office. You can clearly see it's our marketing strategy professor's desk because there's only one textbook here. And judging by the looks of it, he hasn't even read this one. This textbook is on marketing strategy in the automobile industry, printed last year, and it's already out of date. That's the thing about textbook marketing strategies. If you have a strategy that's based on, let's say, the American Detroit model, or Toyota's cultural advantages, or even the Volkswagen corporate strategy model, a Silicon Valley model can sneak up from behind and really ruin your textbook marketing strategies. Good thing I didn't buy the textbook.
Hi there, my name is Khushbu and I am head of the marketing at Tesla. As you know, segmentation is identifying meaningful and different groups of customers, and targeting is selecting which of these groups of customers to serve. So today we are going to talk about how Tesla has positioned its brand in the marketplace. This simply means how we have implemented our chosen appeal and image. You probably already know we sell zero-emission all-electric vehicles, but you probably don't know much about our very unique marketing strategy. So our marketing approach begins with the premise that new technology is often very expensive and only the early adopters are very rich customers who typically are the first ones to buy our cars. Now that you can understand that, let's move to how Tesla has positioned its brand in the marketplace. So the easiest way to do that is through 4 parameters, which would be price, product, distribution and promotion.
Hi, my name is Lydia and I'm the head of product and technology at Tesla. At Tesla, we don't just sell cars, we sell new technology. Our first car targets the luxury sports car segment, occupied by the likes of Porsche or Ferrari. Our first model was a Tesla Roadster, a damn sexy car. The Tesla Roadster was a groundbreaking electric sports car, but as much as I love a Ferrari, this car is an old technology. Our product offering and market strategy makes us the Apple of automakers. Our next vehicle was the Model X, a luxury sedan. Our third launch was the Model X, the fastest SUV ever made. The most exciting news is the new Model 3 is launching, which is arriving here in 2018. Now, let's explore our best-selling model, Model S, in greater detail. If you want to buy a long-range luxury electric car, there's only currently one on the market, this model, Tesla S. This car has so much beauty, both on the outside and the inside. I simply just have to showcase some of its groundbreaking features. Here was Matt, and he is one of the first Tesla owner in Australia. So Matt, can you tell me, what do you love about Tesla?
Well, it's the first electric car that they've taken a clean sheet approach to make. So they've gone and removed the engine, for instance, and therefore you've got a large storage space at the front, which is what we call the fruit, the front boot. And they've taken the same approach with the rest of the vehicle. The interior is very spacious, the boot is also enormous at the rear, and well, if we go and look inside, we can take a look at some of the other things.
Great, can we just go inside and
Yep.
have a look? This is a 17-inch screen.
Yep, so you can see along the top here we've got all the apps, and they're everything from the mapping, which allows you to go and obviously navigate places, but it's also very handy in that it shows you where the supercharger stations are.
Yeah.
So this red pin you can see right here, that's a supercharger station at the Star City Casino. I go and tap on it, see supercharger Piedmont, and then all I need to do to get there is hit navigate.
Yeah. And it's extremely intuitive. We'll have a look at how we're gonna open the sunroof. Right here you go. And then if we want to close this back up, we just go all the way back. Voila.
With price, Tesla has really been clever. We know our customers and their willingness to pay. The price strategy for our 4 models is really simple. The Roadster was competing with other sports cars like the Ferrari. The Roadster was priced at around 150,000 with Ferrari priced from 400,000. Tesla Model S competes directly with the models like Audi A6, BMW 5 Series and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The car is priced from 130k to 200k. If you want to buy a Model S, you pay a substantial price premium. The Tesla Model X arriving this year in Australia is priced at 200,000. The Model X competes with the cars like the BMW X5 and the Mercedes GLC. Now again, if you want to buy a Model X, you pay a substantial price premium. The newly announced Model 3 will be priced under 55,000, competing directly with the likes of the mass market. This is where we will generate most of our sales and profit. Now watch this space. Hello, this now brings up to the third element in our marketing strategy, promotion. If you haven't seen one of our product launches, you have missed our main promotion strategy. Like Steve Jobs did with the Apple, our founder Elon Musk hosts incredible live launch events. It's how we generate free worldwide press. We essentially copy Apple's strategy of special events and conferences. Think different, drive different.
Imagine designing and launching a car in Australia that you couldn't refuel at any petrol station. That's crazy, right? Who would do that? Well, Tesla has done that, and Lydia, our head of product, has the answer.
So Matt, can you tell me about the technology behind the supercharger?
Oh, I can't tell you about that.
Yeah, what type of range do you normally get per charge, and then how long is that going to take you?
Yeah. So the car does about 400 kilometers on a single charge. And when we go to a supercharger station, which is used for long distance trips, once we arrive there, if the car is empty, it takes about 45 minutes to get back to full.
Oh, really?
And the nice part is you actually get a notification on your phone. So you'll get a message saying your car is now ready to depart, and that means you can get to the next supercharger station if that's your next destination, or get to your destination if that's going to be afterwards.
Oh, okay.
And thankfully the battery's got an 8-year unlimited kilometre warranty, so if anything was to happen, it wouldn't be a problem.
Ah, and then how much does that cost you to charge the whole car?
Free.
It's free?
Yeah, so supercharging's free for the life of the vehicle.
Yeah. Yeah, so where are we right now?
We're at the St Leonard's Supercharger location, which is actually a Tesla store as well.
Oh wow, so that means everyone can public accessing the property?
Yeah. So it's open 24 hours, there's 5 stations here, which is not normal. There's actually one downstairs as well.
As well?
Yeah.
Ah.
And yeah, it's a utility for people primarily in Sydney who live in an apartment, for instance, and can't charge their car overnight, or can't install a charger at home. So they can drive the whole week and then come and charge here for 40 minutes and then drive a week again.
Oh, alright.
That's a wrap, guys.
Now you all know how Tesla has positioned its brand in marketplace by using clever marketing strategies. We hope you enjoyed the presentation.
Woo!